Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High Explicit Audio and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Yeah, Matt McIntosh.
Okay.
And I've got a custom built ZV5-18 built by Marvin West. And I've got a Terrence Base 8K on it.
Nice. 118 6th order wall build. Very nice. Do you know your tuning specs on it at all?
Yes, I'm tuned to 25.
Okay.
Yeah, 25 on the low side, 47 on the high side.
Sweet. And that's like a 8-inch port?
8-inch arrow.
Very nice. Looks good. Who built it?
Me and my cousin. We built it in 5 days, about 5 years ago for Sundown Show.
Yes, sir.
This box was a 4th order for 2 SA-18s, and I just got lucky making it a 6th order. So
there you go. I see it. So it was a 4th order 218s. You made it into a 6th.
Absolutely.
That's the perk of if you blow a sub or you change it up or change something else, then you can try
I'll
it
be
different.
honest, it's not as loud with 118 as it was with 2, but it is windier with
Windier?
118.
Yeah.
Yes. See if I can get a
And if you like lows, you're probably happier.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. It slaps the lows, and I mean, the sub's not even broke in yet.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Demo time.
All right.
All right. What was your name?
Matt.
Matt.
McIntosh.
All right. Everybody give a like to Matt.
It'll play on up there in frequency. I
Yeah.
mean, it really will. I can pick up a t-shirt with it. I can't
That's
keep
awesome.
it floating, but I can pick it up.
You'll pick it up, yeah. Thank you very much,
Once
man.
I get it broke in, I'm going to be floating.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I definitely appreciate it.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, man, it's the first time I've been on YouTube.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, man. Message me on Facebook or Instagram, JacobViral. I'll get you up real quick.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.
Awesome.
Everybody give him a like. Matt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
Take a picture real quick. Is that all right? Take a picture real quick. Awesome, man.
It's not even broken. Nothing more than a recall.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Droppin' Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.